Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a juicer together. Start by placing the juicer's motor base on a sturdy, level countertop. Safety is key, so always ensure the power cord is completely unplugged from the wall outlet before you begin. Take a moment to confirm that all the individual parts are thoroughly clean and completely dry. This prevents any potential issues and ensures your juicer is ready for optimal performance right from the start. Next, carefully position the juicing bowl onto the motor base, twisting it gently until it locks firmly into place. Then, take the stainless steel strainer and lower it into the juicing bowl. Make sure to align the small grooves on the strainer with the corresponding guides inside the bowl. This ensures a snug fit and proper operation, allowing for efficient juice extraction. Now it's time to add the auger. Firmly place the auger, which is the spiral-shaped component, directly into the center of the strainer. It should sit snugly. After that, carefully position the clear top cover over the entire juicing bowl and auger assembly. Gently rotate the cover clockwise until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked and ready for use. For the final steps, place the pulp collection container under the pulp spout and the juice collection container under the juice spout. Double-check that every single component is perfectly aligned and securely locked into its designated position. Once you've confirmed everything is tight and safe, you can plug in your juicer. It's now fully assembled and ready to help you create delicious, fresh juices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.